Okay, let's go ahead and get started with this beautiful blue. And I'm just going to start at the top of the canvas. See how effortless that is because the canvas is a little bit wet. I'm going to take a little bit more white. I'm going to do the same thing. Line it up partially on the blue where I left off and then partially down below. So I'm just going to use this same brush for now, and I'm going to take my green and my purple, and I'm just going to start kind of blocking in a little bit here and there in the center here, so we can just go right over that and make a rectangle. We're going to come down the center like this and make it just slightly narrower right in front of the front door. Let's just start right here. Gently circle, circle, moving around, up and down to the side. I'll add one up here. So of course you want to rinse these brushes out in water like all your other brushes, but we want to keep this fluffy shape because that's going to give us those puffy treetops and bushes texture. So I'm going to take a little bit of the cadmium yellow and the green. We've already got this dark base, and we're just going to start adding a little tap, tap, tap here and there. Just going to pull and sweep. Leave a little area there for another shadow from something. Cute little low-lying border hedge here. Okay, so I'm going to change it up a little bit again. And once we come in with our house, we're going to go over, we probably will go over a little bit of this, and then we're going to come over the house again with some more flowers and maybe some climbing vines and stuff. We'll see, by adding a line here that comes down right to here, and then the other part comes right here, and some areas will be a little darker right where the roof overhangs. It's going to go up to a peak like that. So I'm just going to come in here and create a rectangle door in front of or inside the frame. We'll just pull across, create a little triangle there, and just lightly sweep over and pull a few faint lines in here for a window. On the door, we're going to add a little dab, and then a little line under that. I'm going to add a little handle for the door, so the white and the turquoise, and I'm going to come inside, down the side, and a little square of it right there in the window and the frame, and then go down. We're going to pull and kind of arch over like that. We're going to make kind of an arch, and that comes down on an angle here. And then we're going to go over part of our clouds. We'll be doing two windows down here. It's like this. To paint it in. Shadow right here. Colors again. And come underneath. I'm going to add a square. It's lighter. And then we'll come down the middle and across. And then we're going to loop, scoop, and then angle. And leave a dark shadow underneath the roof line as well. We'll start looping up. And I'm just gonna loop, loop, loop. And then right underneath here, come over part of this as well. Right inside, just off the top of those chimneys. Then we're going to take some green and some purple, and we're going to add a little dab on either side and a little line on the top to the edge and partially over. And then we're going to bring it just carefully using one part of the brush, have a climbing rose or something right there. And then we definitely have a climbing one over here. We're gonna travel over here, take a little bit more of the purple. We want a nice dark base, leaving some spaces through, so just light little taps. We're gonna catch just underneath that window, and we're gonna go and then have it coming up the peak. So I'm making sure that I add white. You really don't want to try to make petals, okay? You want to just dab that on and leave it, and don't create a pattern. If you notice that you're painting like them in a line or a row, go over some and just make it look more messy. I'm going to add a little tree trunk that just comes down right here. It can be whatever you want it to be. A little bit extra white now, and just start tapping around. And then we'll come in with our pink. And you can use your little round brush for this if you want as well. Sort of close together. Dab, dab, dab. Just for some impressionistic. Add little round flowers here. I can't remember what they're called, but they've got like a really big, and they're not the hydrangeas. They're like perfectly round. They're big, and they've got long stems that you want, whatever red you want. You can mix it with a little bit of yellow here and there and white to get different temperatures of pinks. The cadmium yellow. And we'll make some other shades, types of flowers in here. I don't know what they are. I'm just dabbing around. There's some lighter, brighter areas. Any colors that you want. I always say pick your favorite flowers and paint those. Okay, and then I'm just going to take a little bit more, and I'm going to dab, dab, dab. Just to make a little bit of a thicker little flowers here off the side. Let's just add a little bit to this window frame here. A little suggestion. some turquoise in there. Tiny bit of that. And then I want to thank you guys so much for all of your support, and I'll see you guys all soon in another video. Take care. Bye.